Good morning. Natulog ulit ako after taking the girls to school kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Wala kami magagawa today because we cannot go out. Sobrang lamig. It's -2 degrees Celsius outside. Sobrang lamig, guys. I was planning on doing or cleaning the yard kasi there are weeds that I've seen few days ago na kailangan ko siyang ibtun ba. Since natulog ako ulit, balik tulog, kakagising ko lang. Well, kumain na si ma'am. Yung husband ko nagbabasa ng kanyang e-book. In fairness with my husband here, kasi hindi niya ako like pinupush na, ay, gawin mo na yung mga ganyan. So, hinahayaan. Are you okay?
Yeah, why wouldn't I be?
Okay. Are you talking to your mom?
Just giving her directions to get to my aunt.
Oh, okay. So, hinahayaan lang niya ako ba na kumilos na kailan gusto ko. Anyway, meron akong binili ko to nung nakaraan pa last week or 2 weeks ago ata or last 2 weeks. Tagal nito dumating, guys. So, kasi nung nagpunta kaming library ni Nicole tsaka husband ko, meron silang puzzle doon ba. And then, we enjoyed doing it. So, sabi ko, bili ako ng ganyan. Kasi si Ashley hindi nakatry. Para naman, meron kaming magagawa here sa bahay pag hindi kami lalabas. Ito. Ano to? 1,000 pieces. Zigsaw puzzle. So, hindi ko alam kung gaano siya lalaki yung mga pieces. Kasi yung play namin doon sa library is malalaking ano siya, guys, pieces, but hopefully this is fine. Kasi para meron kaming magagawa ba, kasi pag wala kaming gagawin dito yung mga bata, either nanonood ng TV, like after nila mag-clean up, yung mga ganun, TV or nagko-computer, yan yung ginagawa nila, guys. So ako naman gusto ko meron kaming gagawin na something else, kasi nga hindi kami makaalis because of the weather. Yun, binilhan din pala ako ng asawa ko. Where did you get this? Did you buy this in Amazon?
What?
The wall blanket?
Yeah.
Why did you buy me this again? Why did you buy me another blanket?
It's good to have an extra.
It's good to have an extra. Kailangan ko daw ng extra. Gamit na gamit ko yung binili niya nung nakaraan. Diba yung bumili siya sa akin ng ano. Ito yun eh. Itong blanket na ito. Sobrang lamigin ko talaga kasi. Kaya kailangan ko kahit nanonood ng TV. May dala akong blanket doon sa couch. Kasi sobrang lamigin ko talaga. Let's open this one. You think this will keep me warm? Ay. Ay. Magkatol ni Beb. Hindi na ako feel ang ano. Hindi ko alam, parang Makati. Hindi ko na giningo ko. Kumanda ko siya. Hindi ko ba. Well, it's warm. Warm siya. Pero di na ako bet ang iyang ano. Hindi ko bet yung ano niya, fabric. Kung ganito siya, babarag Makati man siya sa ano skin. Oy, hindi ko lang. Ashley is home from school. Papa-open ko sa kanya to, guys. Abrilias, oh. This one. Para mag-play mo ni ate Ani. This one ba?
Oh, ka-homework.
Chocolate yung no.
Magbuhat sa migduha.
Okay.
Kay mo man to importante, pass man to tomorrow. So, yeah.
She's freezing. It's so cold today.
Free homework.
Ate, para mula maglap. Ayan, binuksan eh. Ay. Kisiya ang plastic. Di ka kagisi. Diri sa.
Kagisi ko.
Si ate kay magpa-pick up. Ito si ate sa bus stop today. It's so cold. 0 degrees Celsius outside right now.
Negative.
Tapos, you want to play as well, Kali? Sige na, open! Tanawin na to kay, I didn't know. I don't know how it looked like inside. Dapat, ay, gagmay ka cute man, ani. Oy! Hatag. Oh, siya. Ganyan. Gagmay kay cute pero red. So red, dara ang red oh. Iyan oh. Liliit niya kasi guys. Oh, sana kompleto to lahat. Iyan oh. Ha? Nalaipo na? Oh, cute kayo. Gagmay kistanan. Good morning guys. Today is Friday. Mag-vlog tayo. Mag-vlog tayo kasi kailangan ko ng monetizations. Anyway, I am in the girls' bathroom kasi itong mga anak ko guys, ay nako, ewan ko na lang kung hindi ako yung magkusa. Naubusan ng tissue. Hindi. Nangingi sa akin ng tissue. So, maglalagay tayo ng maramihang tissue here para kukunin na lang nila pag naubusan sila ba. And then, tayo, sobrang lamig sa labas. Hindi kami makalabas guys. Or, pwede naman makalabas, pero sobrang lamig nga. But I was telling my husband na punta sana kaming magpapa cut ng hair ba? Magpa-barbershop, magpuntang barbershop kasi yung buhok niya mahaba na. Dapat kahapon kami pupuntang barbershop kaso lang may training siya kahapon. Hindi ako makapag-video. Like training. Nung last time, nag-video ako kasi sobrang liit lang yung clip. Sobrang nga yung asawa ko guys. Private person nga. So alam niyo naman, very nonchalant. So ako lang yung mas OA. Ako lang yung mas blunt. Ako yung mas vocal and everything. Anyway, ito pala yung binili namin sa Goodwill. Nakalimutan ko na kung kailan. But I had a vlog about this one. Look at this. How pretty this piece. Diba? Sobrang pretty. Nilagay ko siya sa bathroom. Because like I said, from my previous video, meron akong mga nakitang houses here sa Texas guys. Sobrang ganda pala pag nag-decorate ka ng kahit maliit na pictures lang sa bathroom ilagay mo. It added beauty sa bathroom. Anyway, yung bathroom ng kids, sobrang simple. Yan lang. Meron silang tub dyan, bathtub, meron silang shower, sa likod ng shower curtain. And then ito, and then this one. Friday, meron akong mga video nung nakaraang araw. Hindi ko na-complete or hindi ko ba na-tapos yung vlog kasi guys, ganito ako. Pag wala masyadong gawa, wag mag-video. Pero, you know, I realized na family vlog pala to. So, kung ano yung ginagawa natin, not all, of course, kasi meron naman tayong mga privacy thing. So, like, I always tell in the vlog na yung mga nakikita nyo sa video is just piece of our lives here. There are some personal things that we don't share. Kasi, why do we have to share all? Yung ganon. But, hindi natapos yung paint ng anak ko. Ito pala yung mga picture frame. Hindi ko pa siya nahang. I was planning on hanging sa picture frame. This is Nico's bedroom. So, ihahang ko yan. But I have to find the nails and tools for that. Nagbibihis ako, guys. Suot ko na naman lagi yung ating favorite na winter jacket. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko na winter jacket. I love it kasi warm siya, nakaka-warm. And right now, malamig sa labas. Kailangan namin pumunta ng physical therapist today. Again, it's Friday. So, physical therapist ni Ashley. And our temperature right now outside is 4 degrees Celsius. Which means it's really cold. Really, really cold. And then, naka-jeans lang ako. And then, ito, meron akong tatlong sapaw-sapaw. Anyway, we're just waiting. Akala ko alis kami today kasi nag-uusap kami about sa haircut niya. Sabi niya, wala na siyang time. Busy kasi siya kanina, guys. He's working on paperwork and may mga tinatawagan and everything. Wala kong astronaut. Yung anak ko pinagtatawanan ako suot na to kasi mukha daw ako astronaut. Pag nagsuot ako ng ganito kasi sobrang kapal niya talaga. Makapal naman talaga but it keeps me warm which is good.
It's 37 degrees outside.
Yeah.
I would say that qualifies as cold.
That's why I'm wearing the jacket. What are you looking?
All the small things true care, truth brings. Don't take one live.
Are you cold?
Make sure ko nakamo dito.
What? You have to make sure? Come on, it's really freezing outside. Okay, close your window. Are going to your PT today, okay?
Okay.
Last na. Last na today because we're
I'll do a
paying a
great
lot.
job.
You did a great job today?
No, I will do a great job sa karon sa therapist.
Why? What did you do?
Sa dito sa Monkey Bar ba?
Oh, did you do that in your PE? Oh, today? Okay.
Diba, need sa
PT?
Oh.
Okay. She said she's gonna perfect it today. If she's going to do the monkey bar.
Man, ako'y gum sa kong
Why she's
shoes.
been practicing. Look,
Yan yung house na gusto ko guys. Yan oh, maganda. Para yung nakikita ko sa ano ba, nakikita ko sa mga movies.
So pretty.
It's so pretty. Laki ng bahay. Mga patay, gutom kami
there's
guys.
ketchup in there.
Stop over sa Burger King. We are here. Naglibog ko sa yung ba kay this one Brazos Valley. Tama ba, babe? That's a very polite favor. Let me eat in peace. This one, we need to fix this. Agi kapoy na ko ani niya kay it's covering my face all the time. This one. We need to fix this. Oh? What? Okay, there you go. Ako na ni i-tape siya ba? I-tape na ako ni. This one needs to be taped. You wanted to eat, babe? Pero sa man ta mag-fix tong mirror. This mirror needs to be fixed. I am already annoyed with that mirror. You want some? Babe, you want some sandwich? Mga patay gutom. We still have time. It's 4 p.m. So,
Ma,
we're good.
at least nakakaunta. Ingon de kung nabito mengon sa kuan like comment mengon sila ng patigutom ta. Kami tinod po man, pero at least nakakaon sila wala.
Reality kasi yesterday is real. You want? You can have.
That's okay, I know you want it.
I can't finish it. It's so big.
Diet siya.
Oh, well, I'm sure Ashley will help. It's chicken.
Huh? Nagtaon daw?
No, it's chicken. It's so big.
Can I have it?
Not all. You want it all? Did you say you want it? Did you say you want it?
Ako nihatag mo.
What?
Hindi ko mahurot ako nihatag.
Okay. You're opening the door for me? How sweet.
Go. Come on. Go. There you go. Keep going. Come on. You're almost there.
Almost there.
Come on. You got it. Come on.
Go. Two
Come
more.
on, 2 more. You got it.
Yay.
Come on,
Almost
one more,
there.
one more.
Yay.
Yay!
Ready? Woo. There you go. Woo. Downtown. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog here. I would love to go to College Station somewhere there. Diba? I told you like I wanted to walk around on that area. What did we do there? When we had when we went to the clinic. Looks old here. Like bricks building. Junior Brown Gates. I don't know what that's in there. Somebody selling something. just normal town here in Bryan. O, diba? Classic. Coffee shop, restaurant. Ano ba dito? Mga ano sa buhok. Dahil iladiri kay wala. They don't have the minimalist. What's music store? Oh, they're selling
Instruments.
Are you so happy that you're out? It's so cold.
Go, go, go!
Oh, ilong. Uy, what is this?
Dili siya sa.
Joke na naman yung assignment.
Dili siya
Ayaw
sa
kasi.
amin, pero wala akong gibot sa eskwelahan, igabuhat kasi akong scarf.
Okay, show me. I'm gonna reheat the pork so everybody can eat. And we have rice as well. Kahapon ko lang ito niluto, guys. And this one, I baked this one yesterday. So, hindi siya naubos. So, kinain namin. Oh, yan. Oh, hindi naubos. So, ito yung i-reheat ko na lang. And then the rice as well. I-reheat natin yung rice. Para makakain na lahat. And then, we pick up Nicole pala sa bus stop today. Kasi sobrang lamig talaga sa labas. As in, what? This one? Who taught you this?
Pero, wala kayo kung nakakonti. Wala ba?
Anong putol mo ng uban? So, what will happen after this?
Ako nang gamon, choker.
Choker?
Ano bang ikuan sa mga balik yung anak? Ito bang yan?
Yung anong naamay, straw?
Dili. Basta, tatawon ng straw.
Ah. So, this is what she is learning from her art school, art class. Ayan. They provided this one too? Ah, okay. Mag-reheat na ko ani. So, you guys can eat. Transfer this one. Transfer natin tong ating meat. Gosh. Busog na ko. I'm not gonna eat. So, kamo na lang magkaon. Yeah. I'm very full. Nag-ano man na ako chicken sandwich. Nag-order na may gamay because we had to kill time. So, we stopped by Burger King before we go to Yashi's PT. Para, ay, so early man may ganiha. Pick up lang mo Yashi sa school, mga 3:20 or 3:30. Paspas kayo ang flow sa car. Unlike before. Before kay, igit-igit ka gula. Lugay kayo. And, kinancel na namin yung ano guys, yung appointment or yung ano ni Yashi sa PT. So, hindi na kami babalik next Friday. Oo, cancel na namin. So, ang plano ng isa, like, we're just gonna put her, like, here na lang sa bahay ba? Kasi yung isa kasi nag-training talaga yan ng karate thing. So, I think, pwede niya include si Yashi na small things na para ma-exercise lang yung left hand. What? School dance? And then? Why not? Why not? Ay, no, for your grades. Ako sa una guys, hindi ko ganan mo sayang. Mabahalag mura kong agta dito ga. For fun. So, dapat kamutanan mo, ano? Ano kamutanan?
Ano ba? Perfect ang takot ito ba? Ano ba? Ano ni? Okay, wala na akong gitarong-tarong. Pagtanta na ako kay dalit. Gikalit na akong tantong. Sinagod pa.
Is this dirty? Ah. So dirty. Anyway, Saturday and no classes. Of course. So, tulog pa yung kids, guys. Ito, lalaroin namin to today. Zigzag. Ito yung pinakita ko nung nakaraan. Pinagbukas ko kay Ashley, guys. And then, since wala pa kaming coffee table sa aming couch area. So we're gonna play it here. Pero tulog pa yung kids. Mamaya na yan. Aray ko. I need my coffee. Did you have coffee na, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Naulian akong lips. Oh, napay-gamay pero konti na lang. Nanonood kami ng Netflix kagabi. Ay, ang among living area, perting gubuta. But I'm gonna clean it up today. Of course, the kids will help. It's cleaning day today. And then, what time is it? 9. Late na ako nagising today, guys.
This guy here, Marshall Tatsuya, guy's amazing. And he's 7th on Showtime, but he's one of he does a whole series of videos where some of our advanced okay, babe, it's all yours.
Thank you so much.
I switched it to your channel and your
No,
vlogging.
it's on my morning music. Good morning! Grabe, makadrag ng ano niya, laundry. Okay, since Saturday today, laundry day today. Yan, lagay yung mga laundries dyan. Good girl. Gising na si ate? What? You don't want to show your raw face, unfiltered? Di ba kapres di ate nga, oh, dapat beautiful ko before my film. And si Kali, she's happy to see you. Good morning. Ayaw, don't do that. No, no, no. Say good morning, Kali. Kali, she's gonna pick your poop today. It's Saturday.
I think 2 hours.
There's only 2? Are you sure? What? Oh, diba? Yeah. I just washed this one. So, pag nakikita nyo sa vlog, guys, na paulit-ulit yung mga bedsheet and blanket ng mga kids, nilabhan ko yan, ha? Baka naman sabihin nyo, walay lab ba? Di maglab ba? Siya yung mas pinakamaraming, teddy bears, mga teddies. Dito, inaangkin na niya lahat. Ay, paibog din niya yung dog. Oh my gosh. Hindi gaano kalaki yung room nila pero sobrang enough. Ito na nga hinahanapan ko ng paraan kasi kailangan niya ng dresser sa kanyang downside. Kasi yung mga clothes niya guys nasa taas. Diyan, meron kasi dyan shelves. Doon niya nilalagay. Mahihirapan siya kumuha pag need niya. So yun yung inisip ko na bibili ako ng dresser for her. Kasi si Nicole meron na siyang dresser. Anyway. Yung isa nating anak dyan, gising na ba? Tingnan natin kung gising na. Uy, nagkulupot man. Tulog na tulog, guys. Alam ko hindi nyo ako nakikita talaga na naglilinis ng bahay sa vlog. But doesn't mean hindi ako naglilinis. Explain ko na ito ng paulit-ulit na ano ako, guys. Parang distraction kasi pag nag-video pa tapos naglilinis. Ako yung type ng tao na gusto ko tapusin lahat first before ako do whatever else. Pag yung mood ko is nasa linis mood na, like I just wanted everything finished and say anything sa video. That's it. But yeah, right now, since it's Saturday, this is what we always agree. Meron kami agreement ng kids that every Saturday they have to help me with like cleaning, the chores at home. Meron silang mga kanya-kanyang chores, assignment, of course. Like, they have to make sure that their bedroom is clean, their toilet is clean. That one, you have to push yet sa ano. Maigo ka? It will fit, I'm sure. So, yun, yung mga assignments nila, every Saturday talaga yan. And picking up the poop of the dog, kasi meron nga mga poop dyan sa labas. Like, sa yard natin, which is, kailangan talagang i-pick. I said it before, na bawal hayaan yung poops ng dog sa labas ng yard kasi nakakapatay daw siya ng grasses. And naginarty lagi ang ate. Lugay kayong bakod. Mamsam na siya. Nag-clean na siya sa iyang bed. Then laundry day today as well. So, yun yung mga ginagawa. And that's the daily routine lang ginagawa ko here sa bahay. And like, you know, just imagine the life of a mom in the house. So, you knew it. Kasi usually naman na nanonood here is mga parents na, diba? So, like cleaning, anak, school, everything like those. So, like, if you've not seen me na nag-clean ng bahay, that's because mahirap kasi mag-video kasi naglilinis pa tayo. Anyway, you have to mop the floor. I didn't mop it yesterday. Are you ready to pick up the poop? You don't want audience? You have to go there first. So, yeah, on the side. Ito guys, yung sinabi ko noon, 'di ba? Ito yung weeds. Oh, may thorn. Meron siyang masakit siya pag hinawakan. So kailangan may gloves pag tinanggal ko 'to. Tatanggalin ko 'yan, mga weeds 'yan eh. Yan. Anyway. Ayun. How many poop there? Dalawang poop. One. Hala, lupad akong, 1, 2. Yeah, I know it's cold. Napadiri, oy. Gapataka maka here, oh. Dako kayong bundok. Gamit na gamit yung plastic sa Walmart ba? Oh, tara. Walmart ba to? Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Did you clean your room? Sure. How about your trash? Yeah, throw away your trash. Come on. Because after we finish cleaning, we're gonna play our zigzag. How do you say that?
Jigsaw.
Jigsaw. Yes, this one. I'm so excited. Let's go. Sabi na, para makaon na mo ni Ashti. Daddy, ang chicken nuggets, you have to finish.
Nuggets and fries.
Yeah. No, you have to eat the chicken nuggets, Daddy.
Dami siya kong bukas. Ito dami na.
Ito chicken nuggets. Maybe the fries.
Ano siya bago?
Oh, this party si Daddy. Maano party? Actually, this is for Daddy.
Ang wala party pa na.
Party kaya kung luto ni Daddy.
Kami? Party po.
You want party also? Nawala ang chicken nuggets. Where did it go? I think I put it here. Pagluto sa te, ibutang sa air fryer.
Filipino ba? Sa luto.
Ito yung mga hindi nyo nakikita sa mga vlog natin, guys. Actually, tumutulong naman talaga yung kids. May nagreklamo nung nakaraan. Di daw mo mag-help sa chores. Is that true? Sometimes. Very honest, guys. Sometimes, kids na kids, no? Edad na edad talaga sometimes. Pero tumutulong naman talaga, guys. Mami! I'm gonna shout out Ma'am Ami's watch. Ito yung binigay niya sa akin na kay Nicole. Nice baya. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Just sabon-sabon. Para matangtang ang grease. What's that face looks like? She's like, I wanna be beautiful when you film, Mom. Ganon. Gusto daw niya, maganda yung face niya. Wag daw siyang i-film pag hindi maganda yung face. Putting away while waiting for fries to cook. And then, maglalaba ako. Binuksan na niya yung box, guys. Ito yung lahat ng mga puzzles that we need to put all together. This will be fun. I don't know if my husband will join us today. Kasi ang liliit nito eh. Yung sa library, malalaking pieces. But this one's tiny.
Yes, queen.
You like it? Nanasunog. Sorry.
Okay.
What? What about Yes Queen? What about that Yes Queen thing? She's laughing kay she's caught.
Cheese caught.
She is caught. Both. Mga maro kay sila. Now I learned my big lesson. Every time I pick up, I get the tablet and laptop kay every time we go home from school, we had assignment, blah, blah, blah. Kailangan i-bring na ako inside sa bedroom. Akong bedroom after. Shocking. In the morning, I wake up and then the tablet is gone. Yashti was like, diba? So, starting today, you can only use, bahala mo sa inyong assignment until 8 in the evening. From the start na, igahatag na ko ninyo ang ano, that's 8.
Huh?
That's it. 8 and done. So, when you have a homework, you have to make sure you focus on your homework and that's it. If you're not finished, ay, bahala na mo. Mangita magguan. Miriam Dictionary. Tell Lola, see, I'm working. See? Grandma, I'm working. Side eye. Yeah, guys, working. Are you sure? I was still with you picking up the poop today.
But still, iwan kay gibuhat, ikaw orang tandagkoan.
Okay.
Make sure na kibutuhan. About upot, they will buy 1 inch.
1 inch na lang. She's gonna reach me soon. Alright, so they're done cleaning. So they're gonna play this jigsaw. Zo, tama ba? Akong pronounce. Jigsaw. Okay. Ayan. Ito talaga is sobrang fun. Ito gawin, guys, with your kids. So if you have children na ayaw nyo na ipaano ng TV and cellphone, this one is really fun. Actually, na-remember ko, guys, when I was in grade school, my teacher before, when I was grade 2, yeah. See, naka-remember pa ko, even if it's grade 2. I'm just explaining. She has this mga ingon-ani na puzzle so we can play during recess time. And I enjoyed doing that. Nakaka-enjoy kaya. And we couldn't afford it before kasi. That's why wala mi ingon-ani. My mom cannot buy. But now, since we can get it, cheap lang naman to, guys. This is not expensive. I got this one from Shein and it's cheap. And this is really fun to do for the kids, of course. And then, you can do this as a bonding mga activities na ganito. Our shuttlecock is coming soon. So we're gonna play badminton as well. Ang laki kasi ng space namin sa sa front. We are in the ano bang town? Huh?
The training.
Yeah, Daddy is training. 2 hours. I think they are almost they are not done yet. They're supposed to be done. Kay
Chika-chika.
Nag-chika-chika si Daddy. Yeah, they're in garage. Hopefully, they are warm. Sobrang lamig sa labas.
Di pa na siya heater.
Yeah, but it's a small one. It's not really a big one, but... Straight ba? Like, sa end, diba? Dili na, straight, yes. Kani siguro, diba? That one. Oh, this one too. Here.
Yung mag-tako red. Come slim ba sa
Eyeshadow.
Hindi mao ka ni.
The drop. Ang singalan niya, drop. Venezia. 12:02. So, gagawa tayo ng ating lunch. Anyway, barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Ito yung lulutuin natin for lunch. Tapos na yung asawa ko mag-training bago pa galing yung kaon. But your grandma wants me to eat. Nag-request yung asawa ko ng another coffee. Tapos na sa kanyang training. Pero meron siyang Zoom call. Nasa kwarto ata. Yeah, I think he's in our bedroom. Maingay kami eh. Ang ingay namin dito, guys. Alam niyo na, pag Pinoy, dag ko yung mga ba.
Kamamang.
Maliwat si mama.
Mama miliwat.
Oh, no. Oh, chicken pie. Actually, this is really nice kung meron kaming grilling sa labas. Meron naman kami maliit nasa guys, duplex, pero hindi namin nadala dito. But yung asawa ko, tingin-tingin na kami ng tingin-tingin na kami ng grilling ba for outdoor. Pero hindi pa kami nakabili. Since ang lamig pa nga. So, malamig pa. So, hindi pa time para mag-grill outside. Yun yung plano ko talaga na next time, meron tayong grilling so we can eat outside. Maganda kaya yun pag kumakain sa labas. Dalawa lang yung lulutuin ko just in case. Kasi yung mga bata, tapos na sila kumain and yung asawa ko, I'm not really sure if he likes to eat this but I love barbecue. Baka kakain din si ma'am. Pero pag ayaw nila, syempre, ako na lang kakain. Bahala kayo dyan. Ako busog, sila gutom. Hindi ako magluluto ng ibang food. Ito lang. So, whether you like it or not, kakain kayo. Anyway. Bake lang natin siya based on the instruction. Ang sabi is 375 degrees and then 30 to 35 minutes. So, let's bake this one. 35 minutes na diretso para Yung natira guys, meron akong dalawang pa dito, chicken thigh. Ilagay natin sa ziplock. Have you found? Ano undang naman si Ashley. Why is she giving up already? Tapulan dyan siya magdula ang mga pag-games. It's not listo, that's why nga. It will work for you, for your brain. Pila? 7,000?
Yeah, mag-harvest pa po.
Mag-harvest pa ka?
Water bag.
That one. Get that one. You like it. Give this to my husband. Here. Come on na. Yes, kung di ka ganun mag-help, bitaw. Yes, enough na for that. Coffee. I think luto na yung ating barbecue, guys. Ayun, oh. Shadam! Kunin na natin siya. Uy, luto na yan. Yeah, it's cooked. Let me taste this one. First time ko itong mat-try. Sure ka nga luto na kaya. It's cooked.
Ay, bantugra.
What?
Baliktad, di ay sila. Ay.
It's good. Is mahirap pala gawin yung zigzag. Tagal niyang mahanap yung pinakadulo ba. Si Ashley wala ning surrender na. Si Nicole lang yung naglalaro right now. Follow tomorrow. Oh, sama na ti. This is for mom. This one, guys. So, spring. Huh? Oh, kay nag-play man siya. Sige yun. How was your chicken? Ayun na. Wala na ako masyadong ginawa. Nanonood kami ng series. SWAT sa Netflix. Napanood ko na rin pala kahapon yung movie ni Catherine Bernardo at saka ni nakalimutan ko yung lalaki. I forgot. Basta yung sa Channel 7 na lalaki ba? Nakalimutan ko na. Catherine Bernardo, Alden Richard. Yun. Yan ang movie na yun, guys. Panoorin nyo. Libre na siya. Nasa Netflix na siya. If you have Netflix account, you can watch that one. Maganda. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng movie. Anyway, so, etong ginawa namin, kakapagod yung mga bata. Huminto na, guys. Kapoy sila ang pinangita. This is a very nice activity like I said earlier. Pero itong nabili ko pala, ito, sobrang liliit ng puzzle, guys. As you can see, maliliit talaga siya. Nahihirapan kami hanapin yung mga pero we were still gonna do this. But yung mga bata ay sabi nila bukas na naman ulit. Okay, we'll do this tomorrow. Like this one kasi gusto namin hanapin yung mga pinaka-corner ng puzzle. Nahirapan ako maghanap ng mga corner thing kasi ang liliit nga ng pieces. We can just play this. And this is so much fun to do. Taraman mo ang that's a picture. This is a Venice Canal. See?
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, that's just the picture.
See, I'm good.
Bugiro. Gusto gini niya, guys. He likes this one kaya mas challenging daw. Like, nagpunta kami sa library, hindi namin iniwan yung zigzag. puzzle hanggat hindi namin na finish. So mga 2 oras kami doon sa library just playing. The cute eh. Nicole was like, "Mom, it will take me a days
Days.
to finish this one." Well, because it's so tiny mo rin. Oh, this one is also the end. This is okay, leave then. Don't play. I'm not forcing you to play.
Well, of course you are.
I'm not.